Okay, picked this up at the flea market at the Sagertown show. It's a MARX Train, and I assume late 50s, but it could be both earlier or later than that. They made these. The only reason I really think it's one of the earlier ones was metal engine body and no protective cover underneath. Just some of the refinements that happened later aren't there. Anyways, barely has enough traction to move itself. Go ahead, Lauren. Turn that little switch on for us. And battery operated, no transformer. Basically, it's just sitting there spinning tires until it gets enough traction to go.